Good morning, students. Today we will start a second next chapter, that is the chemical kinetics. So first of all, what is the meaning of chemical kinetics? So it is a branch of the chemistry which deals with the study of the reaction rates. Okay, the factors affecting the rate of reaction and the mechanism by which the reaction proceed. Now listen it here. Actually, it is coming from the Greek word that is kinesis. It meaning movement. It having a reactions means various types of reaction and various types of order reactions takes place. Fast reaction, slow reaction, very fast reaction, very slow reaction, normal reaction, moderate reaction. This type of reaction may takes place in chemical kinetics. Okay, various types of orders also may takes place. Understood? This chapter is taken from which type of chemistry? This chapter is taken from the physical chemistry. You should know that which one topic is from the physical chemistry, which one topic is from the inorganic and organic, you know very well. So in this one, first topic, let's we start. The chemical reactions on the basis of the rates are of three types. First is very fast reaction, second is very slow reaction, third is moderately slow reaction, means very slow reaction. So some reactions occurs very fast, like precipitation takes place. Precipitation I have tell you as before also, where when we are doing the test and it remain on the upside on a test tube or on a beaker, the mixture which is remain on the upside and the downside, the watery substance is left. That was the precipitation. So which type of precipitation will take here? The precipitation of AgCl from AgNO3 and NaCl, means when we do the reaction of these two things, so AgCl precipitation will takes place. It form a very fast reaction. Fine. Next is very slow reactions. Some reactions are very slow, like rusting of iron in the presence of air and the moisture. It takes a more time, 4 months, 3 months, 5 months it take, then rusting will takes place. So it is a slow reaction. So now very slow reaction. Some reaction occurs at moderate speed. Inversion of cane sugar and hydrolysis of starch. Inversion of cane sugar, when we are making it from a sucrose, galactose, sucrose after then it form a glucose. So very slow reactions may takes place, and these all things may coming from where? From the cane sugar. So these are the three steps, three types of the chemical reaction in a chemical kinetics. Now next is rate of chemical reaction. So rate of chemical reaction, it means the speed with which the reaction takes place. Just as the speed of a vehicle is expressed in terms of distance traveled per unit time, the speed or the rate of a chemical reaction can be defined as the change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time. So the rate of reactions, we can say the speed or the rate of chemical reaction, it can be defined as a change of concentration of reactant and a product per unit time. Okay, means according to the time, the concentration of the reactant and the product, these are changing. So how it can be expressed? A question arises. It can be expressed the rate of decrease in concentration of any one of the reactant. When the concentration is decrease of any reactant, concentration is increase on any product, not of reactant. So okay, one thing again I am telling, please don't be confused. Rate of decrease in concentration of reactant, decrease in reactant, increase in product. Okay, then only formation takes place of rate of chemical reaction. In simple words, we can say the reactant may formation takes place with the product. So 1 mole of the reactant R produces 1 mole of the product P. It form a 1 mole, it also form a 1. It form a 2 mole, it also form a 2 mole. Okay. If R1 and P1 are the concentration of reactant R and product P, at time t1 and R2 and P2 are the concentration at time t2. See now, R1 P1 reactant 1 product 1 with the t1 time, R2 and P2 with the t2 time. So overall what is the time here? Delta T we can say T2 minus T1, delta R we can say R2 minus R1, or delta P we can say delta P2 minus P1. Okay, these brackets which we are using here, this one square brackets, it express molar concentration. So overall reaction, how the formula came here, decrease in concentration of R means reactant, decrease in concentration of reactant, see here, upon time taken, increase in concentration of product, see here, upon time taken. It can be say as delta R upon delta T and delta P upon delta T. So delta R is a negative quantity, it is multiplied by -1 to make the rate of reaction positive, which is always a positive quantity. Okay, delta R is a negative, that's why we are multiplying with the -1, so it become a plus. Why it become a -1? Minus become a plus, that's why. Various some examples we are using. We are using here a PCl5 to form PCl3 and Cl2. Rate may be expressed as in the formation how it may be formed. Delta PCl5 here upon T, delta T. This one delta T we have taken. So here PCl3, delta T we have taken. Delta Cl2, delta T we have taken. Okay. And this delta used for a larger change. Understood? This is used for the larger change. Unit, the unit is expressed here as mole-liter inverse, mole-liter second inverse. Okay, or it may also be atmospheric second inverse. So till here you can do in your copies. That was your homework, and next we continue afterwards. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.